how to set up polygon. So this is a basic visualization that we get once we add polygon inside the Dewesoft. So we will get the basic polygon screen, which can be fully customized. So we can even add an additional polygon visual control on top of the existing polygon control, change the view so we can have a bird's eye view of the complete track. We can have the main polygon following the car, we can have the second one always at the same position. We can add chart recorders, digital displays, gauges, and so on. So we can fully customize it to any of our needs for doing the measurement in the most effective way. Inside Polygon, we have two coordinate systems. So one is the global coordinate system, which is always fixed. And we have coordinate systems for each of the moving objects. So every vehicle that is moving has its own coordinate system. And there will be a big difference when we are doing the calculation from a moving object to a standing object, or from a standing object to a moving object, because they will have different coordinate systems, like you can see on this image. So if we would calculate the distance in y direction from the vehicle to the coordinate system origin, we would have a much smaller distance than calculating from the absolute origin to the vehicle in y direction. So we always have to think, what is the distance that we are interested in? For doing the measurements inside Polygon, we always have to take care of setting the correct origin. So this is basically to sync the actual proving ground in real life to the test track we have done in Polygon, so that we are always on the same position. Now we have two options of setting the origin. One is with 2 points, and one is with actually moving the vehicle on a certain point and setting the origin. Setting the origin with 2 points is very accurate, and this is the preferred way of doing or setting up the origin. So what we can do is, basically we have first a polygon defined in software, and we have an actual proving ground where we are standing with the vehicle, with the GPS, and we have 2 cones marked at a certain place. And inside the software, we have also positions of 2 cones at the same reference area, basically. So what we do first is we move with the GPS antenna over the first cone. Then we click set point 1 inside Polygon, and we will actually move the complete position over the first cone. So now we have to still take care of the orientation. So we go with the antenna over the second cone, we click set point 2, and the orientation will be corrected automatically. So with the 2 points, if they are maybe just even a few meters apart, we will get very accurate origin setup. We also have a second option, so we can set the origin from current vehicle position and heading. Now this is fast, but it's very inaccurate, or it can be very inaccurate because even small mistakes can lead to big position and heading errors. So what we do is we basically drive with the vehicle on the proving ground. So this is our polygon defined in software, and this would be our vehicle origin, X and Y. So we go on the proving ground, we basically go with the vehicle on the same position as it would be in the software, so that X and Y positions are aligned. And we just click set origin from current position and heading. And immediately the origin will be moved to the proving ground. But what can happen if the vehicle is only slightly shifted? Our origin can also be shifted quite a lot, so that in the end we will have a big positioning error. And especially if we are doing actual measurements from the track we have constructed inside Polygon, we will then get big errors of the outputs.